I'm Brad Heimbigner. We'll take good care of you here at Klahanie Chevron Service Center. I'll tell you more in a minute.
Buying a used car can be easier than it used to be, especially when you let us help. CarBuyingTips.com shows us a few things to keep in mind when looking. First, go to the local newspaper websites to view the automotive classifieds for cars that are close to you. However, to get the largest selection, we recommend that you use the larger sites with thousands of listings. 2. Never buy a car without first verifying its history with a vehicle history report. You don't want to buy something used and later find out it had previously been totaled or reconditioned after a flood. They may be cheap, but you'll find it difficult to impossible to get insurance. See if the VIN number is listed in the ad or if the seller will give it to you. If not, move on. 3. The one-on-one negotiation can be daunting. So before you begin, invest the time to do all the necessary research to help you drive down that price. And never pay cash, because if something goes wrong, you might have trouble getting your money back. And one extra tip, if buying from a rental car company, you can be sure they tend to take cars out of service after only a year or two. So you will be getting a relatively new car that has been well maintained. If you don't want to deal with negotiating but want a good car at a decent price, this option may be the one for you. Lastly, rely on us when you think you've found that car. A pre-purchase inspection could save you from buying an expensive lemon. After all, it's better to pay a little for our expertise now than spend thousands on repairs later.
I'm Brad Heimbigner for Klahanie Chevron.
I'm Dave, the service manager. At Klahanie Service Center, we have ASE Master Certified Technicians for all your car's needs.
We're here for your major and your minor mechanical repairs, whether you drive a foreign or domestic car or truck.
But we're also a great place for your routine maintenance. Avoid dealer prices and bring your vehicle to us. Come in, and when you do, say hi.